This is the VEVOR Large Pet Stroller for dogs and cats, up to 75 pounds. It's 3 wheels, folding cat dog stroller. It's a portable pet jogging stroller with storage basket. Has an adjustable handle height and zipperless canopy. The pet stroller supports up to 75 pounds with large size of 97 by 65 by 101 centimeters, or 38 by 25.5 by 39.76 inches. It's suitable for Dachshunds, Beagles, French Bulldogs, cats, and other small and medium-sized animals. We have a small American Cocker Spaniel, and she weighs about 25 pounds. This is made of durable and sturdy material. It's a flexible, high-strength wheels, adjustable handle height, and folding in seconds. Zipperless canopy and ventilated design. It also has a convenient storage design at the bottom. It's a spacious storage basket with thickened bottom for better load bearing to store your purse, toys, treats, and water bottles.